Welcome to the breathtaking Elephant Beach, nestled in the heart of Havelock Island. Here, where the sky meets the sea, adventure awaits. Get ready to soar above the turquoise waters as the Havelock Parasailing Association brings you the ultimate thrill of parasailing. With expert guides and top-notch safety measures, this experience is designed for pure exhilaration. Feel the rush as you're gently lifted into the air, the ocean breeze embracing you while the panoramic view of Andaman's paradise unfolds beneath your feet. Suspended high above the waves, take in the stunning coral reefs, lush green landscapes, and the endless blue horizon. This is freedom like never before. Every flight is a memory in the making, a moment of pure bliss. Whether you're an adrenaline seeker or a first-time flyer, parasailing at Elephant Beach is an experience you'll cherish forever. So, are you ready to touch the sky? Join us at Elephant Beach and let the adventure begin with the Havelock.